Hi garden friends, happy Friday. So today I'm making maybe like a rectangle shaped succulent arrangement in this like kind of trough like hypertufa pot that I made out of a Tupperware a long time ago. It's still looking pretty good. It only has a few chips on the rim here, and I'll show you the plants that I have for it. I have this Crassula. This is Blue Wave. Check that out. See how beautiful that is? So it's this beautiful green color, and the margins on the leaves, they turn red. But if it stays in shade, it becomes like this a blue-green color, and I think that's where the Blue Wave name comes from. I've just given it enough sun where it's actually getting some color on the margins there. So pretty. Crassula Blue Wave. I have 3 little towers of Corpuscularia Lehmannii ice plant, nice and chubby, and you can see that this one has 1, 2, 3 new babies at the base right there. So I have 3 little towers of these. I have a beautiful Agavoides, Echeveria Agavoides. I'm not really sure what kind of Agavoides it is. There's just so many out there. But if someone knows, hey, you can always let me know down on the comments. Echeveria Agavoides, and this one it's closing in on itself. As you can see, it's kind of growing upwards like that because I've had it on a tray for a while, and it's lacking water. So once it gets proper watering, the leaves will start to stretch out again. I have, ooh, this is a treat here. This is a Fenestraria, I believe. Check it out. Oh, not very common, also known as baby toes. A very interesting plant. I believe they're from South Africa, and you can see all those tiny little new baby toes coming out here. I'll get a little closer here. Look at that. Isn't that just something? I just love them. They've got these little leaf windows on the top of their leaves there. Isn't it interesting? I just love them. They have very shallow roots. This one hardly has any roots, as you can see. But, you know, they don't need a lot of watering. Too much watering will make them get, like, if you water them too much, the leaf will start to split and fall apart, become, like, soggy and turn to mush, basically. I've had this little cluster for years now. Been taking care of it. And these are Fenestraria baby toes. That one's a cool one. I don't show that one very often. I have 2 beautiful Sedeveria Blue Elves, and beautifully stressed. As you can see, they're showing their colors. It's nice and blue with the red tips. I mean, look at that. I have 2 of them. And I have 2 beautiful Kalanchoe Panda plants. Look at that. Look at that color. The contrast between the margins that are like kind of like brown and then that like minty green color. I just love them. I love these Kalanchoes. Alright, and I'm going to get started with the arrangement here by filling this little pot up with succulent soil. So all the way to the top. And hopefully I can fit all of my plants in this little pot. Or at least I'll try. So I'll press down on that soil. And keep this close by because I know I'll probably need more soil as I go. And I'll start in this corner here. When it's like square rectangle planters, I like to start in the corner. But that's just me. It kind of makes it a lot easier for me to go from there. So I'll go with my Crassula Blue Wave, and I'll settle it down by pressing on the soil just like that. All right, perfect. And let's see. So right here in this little corner, I think I should do a Blue Elf. So I'll do that. And I'll stick it right there. Beautiful. It's a beautiful day. It was pretty stormy last night, even with thunder. We don't get a lot of thunder around here, so this is kind of fun to listen to at night. But now it's just super beautiful. It's kind of like cold, like after the rain kind of cold, but oh, it's nice and sunny. It's really a beautiful Friday. I'll put the Agavoides right next to the Crassula there, since it's a little bigger and we'll need a little more space there. And let's see. I've got my little towers of the ice plant, and where should I put them? I should probably put them right over here, maybe? Right behind the Agavoides, so I'll adjust the Agavoides just a bit more towards the front there. There we go. Make my little well for the ice plant. And kind of, ooh, so the well will have to be a little deeper than that. It's got some long stems there. And I'll kind of group them up like in a little, like, maybe line. Because I always tend to group them up like in little clusters, but maybe a line will be a little more interesting. I mean, look at that symmetry, the top of these ice plants. I just love them. I just love ice plant. Especially this one. I think it's really cool. One of those really cool weirdos. Okay, so that's looking cute. Okay, I think I'm pulling it off. And right here, I'll put maybe the other blue elf. Right here. And now I have, let's see, I've got 2 panda plants right here, and I've got my little baby toes right here. So what do I want to do with my baby toes? I probably want to put my baby toes right here, and I'll just kind of, you know what, I won't even make like a deep well at all. I'll just kind of like set them right on top, right there. And then I'll be very careful. And now I'll do maybe the smaller panda plant right over here. All right. So right there. And I'll kind of dig it a little deeper. I should have kind of wet my soil a little because it's like bone dry, and it's a little harder to work with when it's so dry like that. And now for the other panda plant right on this side. Right over here. Just to balance the plants out. And I'll try to tuck it in, sneak it in there. There we go. Perfect. Okay, that's nice. And I'll add a little bit more soil right there. There we go. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah, that worked out. That worked out. And now I'm going to kind of tuck in some of that soil, and I'll brush some of it off from the rim. Oh, it looks so pretty. Such a cute little pot. Oh, yeah. All right. And now I'll kind of sweep off some of this soil here. And I didn't have to use any much more soil, so that's good. I'm always adding soil. You know, I've noticed that when I plant these little arrangements, and I'll kind of blow some of that soil away. Kind of bothers me for some reason. And now I'll go for the stones. Okay, so here I go. And I'll start in the back here. Still pretty quiet out. because we're still under this quarantine order here in San Diego, but it's kind of going around everywhere in the United States. But hey, as long as we stay healthy, you know, if we can come out of this healthy, I think that, you know, we kind of we came out winning, you know. So hopefully I will stay healthy. But it is important to stay at home, you know, to avoid only going out of, you know, only going out of pure necessity at this point. Gonna be careful with my little baby toes right here. Oh, they look so cute with stones around them. I love them. I really, really love the baby toe plant. They're just so cute, right? Especially the little baby ones. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna snug in a few here, and that one's too big, so I'll change it up here. And I'll sneak in some smaller ones right there. I hope that you're enjoying this video. It's a smile on your face, maybe inspires you to go outside, garden a bit if you can, or maybe start a garden. This is a perfect time to start a garden. Can't really do anything else, you know, outside. So yeah, take advantage of that. Starting a garden is a lot of fun. You'll be surprised how fun it actually is. Just to like see them grow, you know? You don't have to, you know, do arrangements with them. You can just keep them in little pots on their own, you know? But arranging them is a lot of fun as well, you know, making unique combinations. That's why I like to, you know, do it. Because it's kind of like a little piece of me in every little pot that I make. Oh, and that turned out so cute. Oh, I hope you like this little arrangement. And I'm going to bring it up just a bit. I'm going to focus first on these little baby toes there. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? Oh, that looks so nice. The little ice plant. It's like a little fence. I love it. And the Crassula adds so much color and texture to the arrangement. I love it. You gotta love that Agavoides right in the center there. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye garden friends.